Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to make a muffled audio for free. So you just need to open your CapCut application and you can open or create the new project. In here I already have the video clip, and for this video I would like to add an audio. So to add an audio you just need to go click this audio part. Since I want to make a muffled audio, so I would like to use this voiceover. And after that you just need to start recording first. Let's say Tonghak's channel. Okay, now I already have this audio. Let's have a check. Tonghak's channel. So I would like to make this audio become muffled. The things that we need to do is just go click this voice effects, and in this voice effect you just need to slide into the left side until you found a megaphone, and then you just need to go click it. Tonghak's channel. And now your audio already sounds muffled, and all of this tool and features is free on the CapCut. So that's the way how to make a muffled audio for free on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Tonghak's channel.